Reds have won the first 3 games of this series. Alfredo gunning for win number 12. That would be a National League best. And there it is to end the inning. Alfredo the pause, and now coming to the plate. Swing and a miss, strike 3 for the second out of the inning. Struck him out, came right back with 94. 1-2 on Wellington Castillo, and there's that slow breaking ball again, which will end the inning. For the all-time great Cincinnati Reds, no doubt about that. Alcantara, swing and a miss, and Alfredo Simon now starting to get on a roll. 8 in a row retired by the big man. See if they come in this time. They are. And that strike 3 called to Rizzo. He knew it. He flipped the bat away. You'd be very hard pressed to find any player on this Reds team, but Alfredo in line to become the National League's first 12-game winner if his bullpen can nail it down. And the crowd should indeed stand and cheer what Alfredo Simon has given this Reds team here in 2014 so far.